Good afternoon, നമസ്കാരം. മിഴിയോർത്തിന്റെ ഈ ഒരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവരെയും സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. അങ്ങനെ ഈ ഒരു വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞ് നമ്മൾ Jan 1st 2015 ഇങ്ങനെ എത്തിയിരിക്കണം. അപ്പം ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ ഒരു വർഷം എല്ലാവർക്കും എങ്ങനെ ആകും എന്ന് അറിയാനുള്ള ആഗ്രഹം കാണുമല്ലോ. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇന്ന് നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഇവിടെ ഉള്ളത് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറാണ്. PhD, ഹീസ് ആസ്ട്രോന്യൂമറോളജിസ്റ്റ്, വാസ്തു ആൻഡ് ഫെങ് ഷുയി എക്സ്പെർട്ട്, lifestyle and wellness consultant. He's traveled all over the world. He's met by celebrities and film stars. ഇന്ന് ഡോക്ടർ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഓരോ രാശിക്ക് അനുസരിച്ചുള്ള അസ്ട്രോളജിക്കൽ പ്രഡിക്ഷൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും പറയുന്നത്. അതുപോലെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ 0529611133. SMS അയക്കേണ്ട ഫോർമാറ്റ് ഇസ് NTV സ്പേസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോദ്യം, അതുപോലെ നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് എല്ലാം വെക്കണം അതിൽ. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ SMS നമ്പർ ഇസ് 3537. ഇന്ന് SMS അയക്കുന്നതിൽ നിന്നും ഡോക്ടർ ഒരു വിന്നറിനെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ആൻഡ് ദാറ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ will have they can go and meet Dr. Kumar directly for his assistance and guidance. Adupole before we start the show, ellarkum a very happy new year and may this year bring in a lot of happiness, good health, wealth and prosperity. Dr. Kumar, namaskaram. Midiyothiലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. A very happy new year to you.
Very happy new year to you.
Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. Namaskaram. Happy New Year to everybody.
All right, doctor.
All the viewers of NTV.
All right, doctor. So today you're talking about the rashis according to the star signs.
Yeah, according to the star signs.
Today
we will be doing 6 today, and we'll be having the program even tomorrow also,
Same time 2 to 3 Midioram.
Yes, and we'll be covering 6 tomorrow more. Okay, so we can
start. So ഇന്ന് 6 രാശിയെ പറ്റി ഡോക്ടർ ഇവിടെ സംസാരിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ അതിന്റെ കണ്ടിന്യൂഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നാളെ 2 തൊട്ട് 3 വരെ നമുക്ക് ഈ സെയിം സമയത്ത് ഫ്രൈഡേ സ്പെഷ്യൽ ന്യൂ ഇയർ സ്പെഷ്യൽ എപ്പിസോഡാണ് 2 to 3. So he'll be completing the rest of the rashis tomorrow. All right.
Yeah, so first is Aries Rashi.
Okay, Aries ആണ്. So മലയാളത്തിൽ അതിന് നമ്മൾ മേടം.
Yeah, it's Mesham what we call. Okay. And it covers Ashwati, Bharini and Kartika nakshatra, these rashis. Okay, if you see the scale out of 5, it is 3.5.
Okay.
Yeah, and you will be getting support 70% in your work and career. Even there are some planets which will be quite favorable for you, and even the planet Saturn also will be quite giving some favors in the second half of the year. And I will tell you that Jupiter is also posted very well, so that also will give you good results. Only I think Rahu and Ketu, which are not so favorable, they can create some obstacles in your what you say day-to-day activities. Your enemies also will vanish and you will be successfully able to repay some pending loans and debts or credit card. And first half the year will remain very cheering, and you will also enjoy a lot of your life up to its maximum, but second half you have to, I think, will be a little more struggling for you. And you will get financial and social growth, even victory over enemies, and there is chances from getting happiness from children. The second half, as I told you, 2015 give you maybe some health issues, but it's a good time for wealth and married life. The Shani, what you say, Daya, that is Ardha Shani, will stay with you. Unfavorable aspects are basically you should take care of your health. In general, your lucky number will be 5 and 9, and you have to take care of your health and drive very carefully. And you should avoid the colors are blue, black and green in regular life. Direction south, and black gram, brinjal and cauliflower. I think you should avoid all these items, and you should be in the company of positive people. So that was for Mesham Rashi.
Okay, അപ്പം മേഡം രാശിയുടെ ഒരു അസ്ട്രോളജിക്കൽ പ്രഡിക്ഷൻ ആയിരുന്നു ഇതപ്പം തീർച്ചയായും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഡോക്ടറോട് ജ്യോതിഷപരമായുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കാം. വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ once again is 0529611333. അതുപോലെ our SMS lines are also open. SMS number is 3537, and SMS അയക്കുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട ഒരു കാര്യം NTV എന്ന് ആദ്യം ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോദ്യം ചോദിക്കാൻ, നിങ്ങളുടെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് എല്ലാം അതിൽ ഇൻക്ലൂഡഡ് ആയിരിക്കണം. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അതിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഓൾറൈറ്റ് ഡോക്ടർ, we'll go to an SMS that's come.
Okay, we will take it SMS.
Yes.
First SMS for the new year.
Yes. Okay. So this is from Shruti.
Shruti.
Yes.
Shruti. Shruti.
Okay. Her date of birth is 3/5/1986.
3/5/1986. She is born on Saturday.
Yes. Time is 6:05 a.m.
0605.
Yes.
Okay, 0605.
Place
AM.
is Kerala.
Okay.
And she would like to know about her present and future. So this is our first SMS for the new year.
Yeah. In the meantime, you can give my contact
Yes.
number.
So if you would like to meet Dr. Kumar, നേരിട്ട് പോയി കാണണം എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ അസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഗൈഡൻസ് ആവശ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ you can contact Mr. Kiran and the contact number is 0502724157. Alright, doctor,
think
before we
we
go
have-
into
we
the
have a
SMS,
caller.
we have a caller with us. Yes.
Very
Hello,
good.
good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
നമസ്കാരം. മിഴിയോടത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
എന്റെ പേര് അതു എന്നാണ്. എന്റെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 7/4/1986.
7/4/1986.
1986.
Monday.
Evening 6 p.m.
18 hours. Place.
എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
ചങ്ങനാശ്ശേരി.
It's in Kerala.
Kerala. Okay.
Yes. എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത് അനു?
Career, job.
Okay. She would like to know about a career.
Yeah, she's a Meenam Rashi.
Yeah.
Meena Rashi.
Rashi, Uttaradi.
Yeah, Uttaradadi Nakshatra. Uttarbhadra. Uttaradadi Nakshatra.
Yeah.
And okay, she had Ardha Shani, which is just finished in November 2014. It's
Okay.
And she got even Chava Dosham.
Okay.
And she's birth number 7 and the life path number is 8. So her lucky number is 7. The dasha which she is
Okay.
going on is Budam dasha. It is good dasha, but I think she has been struggling for long because of the Ardha Shani, which is just finished in November. So I think 2015 will be quite favorable for her in a career wise. Regarding job, I think April May is the good favorable time for her job. And what else you want to
Okay.
know?
That's it, sir.
Sorry?
Do you want to know വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും അറിയാൻ ആഗ്രഹമുണ്ടോ അനു? Okay, I think she has disconnected the call. Okay,
Fine,
all
fine.
right.
Okay.
All right, doctor, we'll go to that SMS from Shruti.
Okay, 1 minute. Again, you have to give me because I have SHRUT. Oh, it was 03/05/1986, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Time is
0605.
5 a.m. Yes.
Yes.
Place is Kerala. She would like to know about her present and future in general.
Okay. Okay, she is Kumbham Rashi and the nakshatra is Chatyam.
Okay.
Okay, she doesn't have any Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani presently, and okay, her birth number is 3, life path number is 5, her lucky number is 5, and the thing is only she is going through her Shani Dasha, the Dasha Shani Dasha for 19 years. It is from May 2013 to May 2032. So I think she need to do some remedies, otherwise she will start having always obstacles in her life. I would advise her to wear a rose quartz crystal, Navratna pendant, that is a prosperity pendant number 5, and even she can keep a small piece of squared silver in her purse. Feed the pigeons every Saturday for you can say you can keep feeding pigeons with cherupere daily for 62 days and then only on Saturday for rest of your life. Even you can keep a fast on Saturday and Thursday, and Saturday and Thursday you should be vegetarian also. If you can keep a fast twice a week, it's okay, otherwise only Saturday would be advisable for you, and Saturday and Thursday I would advise you can keep a fast on that, and always you can donate blue colored things, whatever blue bags or anything related to blue color. I think if you donate that on Saturday that would give you good results. Thank you.
ഓക്കെ താങ്ക് യു ഡോക്ടർ. സോ ശ്രുതി SMS-നുള്ള ഒരു ഉത്തരം ലഭിച്ചു എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. അവിടെ ഡോക്ടർ വിൽ ഗോ ടു another SMS that's come.
Okay.
ഓക്കെ ഞാൻ ആദ്യം പറയുകയും ചെയ്തു ഇന്ന് SMS അയക്കുന്നതിൽ നിന്നും ഡോക്ടർ ഒരാളെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും ആൻഡ് ദാറ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ ക്യാൻ ഗോ ആൻഡ് കൺസൾട്ട് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാർ absolutely free of charges. Is it doctor?
Yeah, correct.
Yes, today and tomorrow.
Yeah, today and tomorrow. So
Yes,
we are having
innum
one winner
naaleyum.
today also
Ade.
and one winner tomorrow also.
Yes.
So keep sending more and more SMSs. So at the
yes.
end of the program we will
select one lucky winner. Yes. അപ്പം തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും നിങ്ങൾ SMS അയക്കുക. അതിൽ നിന്നും you never know you could be the lucky winner. അപ്പം ന്യൂ ഇയർ ആണ്, you never know what is in store for you. അപ്പം തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും SMS അയക്കുക. ഇന്നും നാളത്തേക്കും ഞങ്ങൾ ഓരോ ദിവസം ഓരോ വിന്നറിനെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. Alright. Alright doctor, we'll go to another SMS that's come.
Okay.
That's from Chinnu.
CHINU.
Yes.
Okay.
Date of birth is 2/10/1981.
2/10/02/1981.
Time is 5:15 a.m.
5:15 a.m.
Yes. Star is Vishakam.
Okay.
Place is Kerala.
Kerala.
Born in Kerala. Yes. Want to know about her health and financial stability.
Yes, Tula Rashi and Vishakam Nakshatra. And on Tula Rashi, Shani is going on, that is Kantaka Shani going on from 2009 September to October 2017. Now you are actually basically in the last phase of Shani where you have to be careful. You have Sarpadosham and Chavadosham. Please do the necessary prayers in your native place for the respective planets. And as I told you, you are birth number 2 and life path number is 4. So your favorable number will be 6. You can go for the prosperity pendant number 6. You got Budam Dasha from April 2007 to April 2024. The Dasha is okay, but only thing is Kantaka Shani in the third phase would give some obstacles to you. So I would advise you, if you can do some remedies, you can wear a aquamarine crystal and a prosperity pendant number 6. As I told you, even you can go for a Ekmukhi Rudrasham. That is also will give you good results. It will keep away you from the negative people. Plus as I told you, you can feed the cat. If you can feed the cat with the cat food, and cats are available next to a dustbin, feed the cat daily for 43 days, and after that you can feed only for Tuesday and Wednesday. And if you also have to be a vegetarian on Saturday and Tuesday, plus you can also donate some Annadanam to the poor people. As you have Shani Dasha going on, you can donate 8 poor people once in 3 months. Feed 8 poor people once in 3 months, continues for up till 2017. So once in 3 months, 8 poor people with the vegetarian food. Poor people means you can say Valdia people, Natur, workers, laborer camps, where constructions are going on, you can give it there. So any laborers, you can just feed this Annadanam. I think that would give you very good results. All the best to you.
Okay, thank you doctor. So that was for Chinnu. Alright doctor, we'll go to another Rashi.
Yeah, correct.
For today.
Yes. Yeah, another Rashi is in English we call Taurus.
Taurus. Okay, Edavam. In
Yeah.
Malayalam എടവം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതൊക്കെ അതിലേക്ക് മുമ്പായിട്ട് വരുന്നു.
Yeah.
Doctor, we have a caller with us.
Vishabam.
Hello,
Okay,
നമസ്കാരം.
നമസ്കാരം.
മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ഞാൻ രമേശ്.
രമേശ്. ആരെക്കുറിച്ചാണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
ആക്ച്വലി ഇത് എന്നെ പറ്റി
ഓക്കെ ആദ്യം ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ടിവിയുടെ വോളിയം കുറച്ച് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഫോണിൽ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് സംസാരിക്കൂ രമേശ്.
ഓക്കെ. എന്റെ നക്ഷത്രം മകയിരം.
ഓക്കെ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 31st January 1977.
ഓക്കെ,
31st January 1977. Monday. Time please.
മകയിരം.
ടൈം പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, സമയം പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ടൈം അറിയില്ല. ഈവനിങ് ആണോ മോർണിംഗ് ആണോ? മോർണിംഗ് ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, നക്ഷത്രം മകയിഴം അല്ലേ? മകയിഴം മിസ്സസ് നക്ഷത്രം. ഓക്കെ, നാട്ടിലാണോ ജനിച്ചേ? ഓക്കെ, എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
2015 how it will be.
Okay, yeah, Vishabam Rakshi and Makiyam Nakshatra, and plus you don't have at present Ardha Shani or Kantaka Shani. but you got Chavadosham, please do the necessary prayers at your native place. And your birth number 4 and life path number is 2. So I would advise you can wear a prosperity pendant with number 2. That would give you good results for you. And the dasha which is going on is Shani dasha for you. It is just started. Shani dasha for 19 years. It started in 25/11/2014. So you can say that 25th November it started and will stay up till November 2033. Yeah, so I think you will have a little difficult time in 2015, where it is possible sometime it is you can increase your debts. You have any loans, credit cards with you?
No.
No. So you should be careful. If you don't have, it is very good. Just maintain yourself that way and take care of your health also. You can get some digestion problem or acidity problem. And I would advise you can go for a yellow quartz, citrine quartz crystal, a prosperity pendant. I told you number 2. Even you can go for the Rahu beads mala, that is with 27 beads. You can donate any liquid, donate water or milk wherever possible, whenever possible for you to the children. And I will advise you can feed once in a year 11 kanyas with vegetarian food. 11 kanyas, that is 11 small girls below the age of 10. 11 kanyas with vegetarian food, and always while going give them gifts for school related, like educational books, compass box or pens which can be used in the schools, or school bag. This you do it once in a year. I think you will get very good results for your 2015. In fact, it started, you can do always you can say in early 2015, early 2016, that way. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ramesh. Bye bye. Alright, doctor, we were talking about the Rashi. Next Rashi, that's Edavam.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, Vishabha Rashi, which rules Kartika Nakshatra, Rohini Nakshatra and Makiyam Nakshatra also. Okay, as per out of 5, it's number 2, like 2 out of 5, and you will be only favored like 40%, and even you have to work harder than 2014. And there are other quite planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. Only Jupiter is the person who will be favoring you in 2015, and the money matters are not related much to it. Even you can also proceed to further minimize lot of problems in your life due to Jupiter planets. And yes, the Saturn, Rahu and Ketu, which will you can say affect your business, partnership, income, almost everything will get it effective. Thinking abilities may be negatively influenced, and lot of ladies especially, they have to take care of their health. Even children also has to take care of their health and of life partner. You may also feel sometime loneliness or isolated sometime whenever you are alone, or you will feel that you are unimportant, nobody needs you. Don't it's just a feeling, but don't take it very, very seriously. And it is always important to be alert with your working members, or you can say employees. 2015 is not suitable for any big investments. Do not take any big risk, and also you have to do some remedies to minimize the bad effects of any planets. You don't have any Ardha Shani or Kantaka Shani. Unfavorable aspects are desire of earning more and more money is very, very unnecessary. Do not be greedy, because you may incur loss. You are in this year capable of handling lot of problems, and even you can get favors from your father. The lucky number is 6 and 10. You can always take precautions, stay away from deep water bodies, fire and all electrical appliances. You can always do some remedies. Be away from the color red and yellow, and avoid the journey in the north directions. Avoid in regular life food items such as rice, curd, cold products, and always you should be aware of the company from workers and servants. So that
Okay.
was for
Taurus.
Taurus,
Yes.
Vrishabh Rashi.
Okay, thank you,
Yes.
doctor. So
Yeah.
let's go to another SMS that's come, doctor.
Okay,
Okay, the SMS is from Shahab.
Shahab.
Yes, 14/11/1986. Okay, he's wished all of us a happy new year. Thank you, Shahab, and wishing you too a very happy new year.
Very happy new year to you. 14.
11/1986. 4 p.m. Kerala.
Okay.
Okay, he would like to know about his future, his career,
I
his,
think he should be studying now.
yes, his present, lucky number.
He is Mesham Rashi,
yes.
Ashwati Nakshatra, and I think we have already covered this
Yes,
Mesham Rashi in the
sometime
beginning,
back,
so he
yes.
has idea, I think, what his year is going to be. Okay, you have Daya, that is Ardha Shani from November 2014 to October 2017, and even you have this Sarpadosham. I don't know whether you can do some prayers regarding the same. I am not aware of it, but if you can do it, is okay. Otherwise, you have birth number 5 and your life path number is 4. The dasha which you are going on is presently Surya Ravi Dasha, that is from May 2011 to May 2017. I would advise you can do some remedies to make your 2015 a more favorable one. Well, I would advise you can wear aquamarine crystal, which will help you in studies and career, because basically now it is for you studies and career. Mainly is career. I don't think you're studying now, but I think you may be doing some courses, but basically it is more of, you can say, career oriented and how you would like to settle in your life. So aquamarine crystal will help you, plus a prosperity pendant with number 6 also, that would help you. Keep a crystal pyramid at your office table or at your bedside at night, immersed in water, and the morning that water you can give it to the plants. Do this for 43 days. Lot of negativity within you, or negative thoughts, negative energies, that would quite wave out, or you can be away from that. Even if you can fast on Thursday, that would really help you out. I would advise you take a flute and put coconut powder and sugar in that, and this you do once in a month for 6 months. So take a flute, put sugar and coconut powder, and bury it somewhere approximately 3 to 6 inches away from the ground. And wherever you feel ants, there are a lot of ants, or anthill, or sometime at the base of lot of trees, there are a lot of ants. So just dig 3 inches, bury it. It is food for the ants for 1 month. So at least do this for 6 months. It will give you very good results regarding your career and future. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, doctor. We have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
മീഡിയത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം and happy new year. ആരാ
Thank you.
സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
Wish you the same.
താങ്ക് യു. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
എന്റെ പേര് ലക്ഷ്മി എന്നാണ്.
ആ ഓക്കെ, ലക്ഷ്മി പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ലക്ഷ്മിയെ കുറിച്ചാണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
അതെ അതെ.
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
എന്റെ 31st August 1977.
ഓക്കെ, ടൈം
Time 3 o'clock Indian time.
3 o'clock PM? AM?
PM.
PM. ഓക്കെ. കേരള സ്ഥലം?
കേരള.
കേരള. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
ഫ്യൂച്ചറും പിന്നെ 2015 എന്റെ ഹെൽത്ത് വൈസ് എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടാവും?
Okay.
എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടാവും?
Okay, she would like to know how 2015 would
and
be health. Yes, in,
Okay,
yes.
Meenam Rashi.
And her future also.
Okay. And your Uttaradi Nakshatra?
Mine is Purutadi.
Puratadi?
31st August.
One-
31st
yes.
August അല്ലേ?
Yes. No, 31st August 1977,
Yes,
Wednesday, 15 hours, Kerala.
Kerala.
You said 3 AM or 3 PM?
No, mine is Tuesday. That is 30th actually.
Okay.
1 minute, because you said 31st, no? First?
Yes.
Yes.
30th August ആണല്ലേ?
30th August.
Okay, 30th August, Tuesday, 15 hours, Kerala.
Yes.
Yeah. Now it will be Puratadi.
Purutadi.
Yeah, now it will
Puratadi,
be, I
yeah.
think so. Meenam Rashi, P. Bhadra,
Okay.
correct. It is Puratadi, correct.
Puratadi,
Yeah,
yes.
Puratadi. Okay, you had Ardha Shani, which is just finished, so it is good news in November, finished 2014.
Thank you.
So
Okay.
2015 would be very good. What's your religion?
Pardon me?
What's your religion?
Hindu Nayak.
Okay, you got Chava Dosham and you got Sarpa Dosham also. Kindly do the
Okay.
necessary prayers for Sarpa Dosham. If you have done it, do not do it. You have to do it
Okay.
once in lifetime. Otherwise,
Okay,
you will
okay.
start getting always obstacles in your life
Okay.
regularly. Your birth number
Mhm.
3 and life path number is 8. But I would give you that your lucky number is 3. Day is Thursday. Color is yellow. On Thursday,
Okay.
do not give loan to anybody. Avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, and avoid shampoo on Thursdays. And for your prosperity of your house, do not wash clothes on Thursday. On Thursday,
Okay.
do not wash clothes. These are
Okay.
good remedies for you. You can go for the prosperity pendant number 3. Number 3 is
Yeah.
basically number for Jupiter. The
Okay,
dasha which
okay.
you are going on is Budam dasha was there, but now you got Ketu dasha. This Ketu dasha is little not risky, but it doesn't give you anything in that
Okay.
period. Yeah, it is up till for 7 years. Just started, you can say 1 year back, approximately April 2014.
Okay.
It will last for 7 years, April 2021.
2000.
Yes, in
2021, okay.
yeah 2021. You know, so for 7 years, I would advise you feed the cat on Tuesday and Wednesday
Okay.
up till 2021 with the cat
Okay.
food. Cats are available next to dustbin. And if you are going to
Okay.
Kerala, you can feed the dogs. So dogs in India and cats in the UAE. Just feed it with the cat food on Tuesday and Thursday regularly. You know.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
you will get you will get very good results with that. And in this Ketu Dasha, I would advise you, even you can go for the Ketu beads mala. Ketu beads mala, 27 beads. That you can wear it not always, but only for 27 minutes or while doing any meditation. That will really wave out lot of negative effects of Ketu, I think so. And you will get very good results. You know, like it doesn't give you in the beginning, but at the end, you know, he will give you everything. That planet usually gives everything if you do this Anandanam and do these remedies whichever I have explained to you. And always Tuesday is the day for that. Tuesday, either you can keep fast or be a vegetarian on Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay.
Yes, and even if you can in India, whenever you go, you can give donation to the eunuchs on Tuesday. Eunuchs, you know?
Yes.
Yes. I don't know if you can understand what we call.
Even I don't know what you call it in Malayalam, but yes.
Did you understand eunuchs?
Hello.
Eunuchs. Did you understand eunuchs?
No. Can you please explain?
Yeah, eunuchs are in India available. They are usually we call them number 6, or in Hindi we call hijra or chaka, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. If you can help them or with some donations, you understand now?
Okay. I got it.
Yeah, because you see those are the people, they have been not accepted by the normal society.
Oh, okay. I got it. Okay.
Yeah, they can only make their earnings by either begging or by dancing or singing whenever there is a wedding festival,
When there's a newborn. Or
newborn
something. Yes.
I think a newborn child, but male newborn
Male,
child,
yes.
male newborn child, or there is a wedding from the male side, the bridegroom side. They don't go to the bride sides. So that is the only
Okay.
part of earning with them. So try to help them every Tuesday in India, or give some part of donation to them. I think you can get good results after helping these people who are not accepted by the normal
Society,
society.
yes.
Normal society. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Happy.
Okay, sure.
Thank you,
Thank
and
you.
happy New Year.
Okay, thank you, Lakshmi.
Thank
Bye
you so
bye.
much for your
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye bye. Alright, doctor.
Yeah.
Shall we go to another Rashi?
Yeah, I think we should.
Which is the next Rashi?
Yeah, next Rashi is Gemini Mithunam.
Mithunam, yes. Mithunam Rakshikku വേണ്ടിയുള്ള predictions ആണ് അടുത്ത ഡോക്ടർ പറയുന്നത്.
Yes, and it covers 3 nakshatras. Every Rashi covers 3
Three
nakshatras. So
nakshatras.
this is Mrigesya, and I think Mrigesya is Makiyam, Truvatira, and Punartham. Okay. This is the points being covered is favorable up till 4 out of 5. It is not because it is my Rashi. I'm not saying because of
Okay.
that, but because of
It's a okay.
yeah. Now for this is Usually it brings this year will bring some good news for the people who are Mithun Rashi, and also the reality and all your goodies will be supporting you up till 80%. And the planet Ketu is positioned, but it will give you good results because it will be end of the Ketu period in your dasha. Almost there are 4 planets will be ruling this time, that is Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, which are most of the planets. These all are you can say favorable for this year. And even January, May, June, September, these are the months which are for great support for you all. And even the sub periods which are in your favor, they will be much average. Health issues may come to you, but you will overcome that. You will gain immense financial profit in 2015, but you have to be very, very careful. Do not take any risk in this. Even you will get success in almost every field, whether it is related to name, fame, reputation, respect, issues, promotions, new business. Even you will overcome the enemies and anything else. I think this is very good favorable year for Mithun Rashi. And even health issues can come of your mother and father, but it will be overcome in due course of time. Your support for this year is completely fully excellent, I will say. Even you have to just be careful and avoid any arguments with relatives and close ones. The Daya or what you say Kantakashani, Ardhashani is not there. Unfavorable is like you shouldn't be proud or over excitement or overconfident. Favorable aspects are like capability of taking decisions and fulfilling them. Lucky numbers are 7 and 11. Precautions are like whenever moon comes in your the dasha, you have to be little careful because you will be very, very emotional and sensitive. So it is possible somebody may misuse or overcome you. The remedies are like you can be away from the color red and yellow. Avoid a journey in the southeast direction, and you should avoid sour items, and even the company of people who show off. If your friends are too much showing off or anybody, you should be away from this company. Otherwise, I think 2015 is very good for you financially, health wise and relationship wise. All the best to you.
Okay, thank you, Doctor. In short, this Rashi is good for 2015 for those people, right? All right, we have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
നമസ്കാരം, മിനിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
My name is Manju.
ഓക്കെ, മഞ്ജു. ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെ കുറിച്ച് തന്നെയാണ്. എന്റെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്
യെസ്.
13/4/1987.
13/4/1987.
Monday.
Yeah.
Time of birth?
10:35 AM.
ഓക്കെ, എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
ജനിച്ചത് തൃശ്ശൂർ.
ഓക്കെ.
ജോബിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണം.
Okay, she would like to know about a job.
Okay, you are Kanya Rashi.
Yeah.
And your nakshatra is Atam.
Atta.
Yes. Okay, on Kanya Rashi, actually what has happened, there was a Kantaka Shani from November 2006 to November 2014.
Okay.
So it is finished actually. If you would have done some remedies, you would have got very good results at the end of the Kantaka Shani period. But I don't
Okay.
think you did do any remedies. You know, you
No, I
yeah. If you would done, it is a boon that while usually Kantaka Shani goes, you know, it gives something of a gift to the person, you know. But which is not happened in your case. Well, it is never too late. You can start the remedies again, and subsequently after 6 months you can get good results. Your birth number 4 and life path number is 6. I would advise you go for the prosperity pendant number 6. 6 is Shukram number, basically Venus, and it is for luxuries. Your favorable day is Friday. Friday you should wear cream or white clothes, or you can say luxurious clothes, you know, like with embroideries and all. That would give you very good results.
Okay.
And even you can take clove or ilachi on Fridays.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
either in the food or in the tea, that would give you also very good results for you. Your dasha which is going on is presently Rahu dasha,
Okay.
which will not give you results, because Rahu doesn't give you, Rahu will give you only 30 to 35% results of your efforts.
Okay.
It is up till
I didn't get any prosperity.
sorry,
I didn't get any.
you didn't get any
foreign
prosperity
job.
because since 18 years Rahu is going on from May to 1998 to May 2016.
Okay.
So that is why you have not got prosperity, you have not got a comfortable job of your choice, correct?
No, I didn't get any comfortable job.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You didn't get any comfortable job of your choice.
Yeah.
I will advise you do some remedies. I think at the end of this Rahu Dasha, you can get some good aspects. First of all, do not accept any electrical goods as a gift.
Okay.
You can wear a Rahu beads mala of 27 beads for
Okay.
27 minutes daily or while meditation. That would also quite dilute the ill effects of Rahu.
Okay.
I would advise you on every Saturday and Wednesday you should be vegetarian food, and whatever electrical goods you have at home not working,
Okay.
Either- not working, either you throw them or get them repaired.
Okay. Okay.
That will, and even whatever things you're not using, you can just get rid of them, electronics and also non-electronics. You can mop your house with salt water, and even you can take bath with salt water once a week on every
Okay.
Saturday.
Okay.
Every Saturday take a bath with salt water, and even mop your house with salt water for continuous 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then only once a week.
Okay.
So these are the, I think, you drink water in silver glass and keep a small piece of square silver in your purse always. I think all these
Okay.
things you do, I think you will start getting good results from whatever dasha or whatever you're going on,
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
bye.
thanks a lot. Bye bye. Alright, doctor. Shall we go to another Rashi?
Yeah, another Rashi
Yes,
is.
before we go to that, നമുക്കൊരു മെസ്സേജ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. റിനിയാണ് അയച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന മെസ്സേജ്. റിനിയുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്തും ടൈം പ്ലേസ് ഒക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത് എന്നുള്ളത് ആ ഒരു ഡീറ്റെയിൽ നമ്മളുടെ SMS-ൽ കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ല, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വെച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അതപ്പം റിനി, ഇഫ് യു ആർ സീയിങ് ദിസ് ഷോ റൈറ്റ് നൗ, അപ്പം കൂടുതൽ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു SMS അയക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇതിനെപ്പറ്റി ഡോക്ടർ പറയുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഓൾറൈറ്റ് ഡോക്ടർ, യെസ്.
I can understand it as
Yeah,
yeah. Okay, we will go for the fourth Rashi, that is
Yes.
Cancer, Karka Rashi or Kartaka Rashi.
യെസ്, കർക്കിടകം.
Karkidam, okay. It usually rules the Punartham, Puyam and Alyam Nakshatra. Okay, the points out of 5 is 3, is also good average, and basically there will be lot of support from the helpful people during the first half, but it may cause some problem after you can second half, that is in 2015. Among the 4 effective planets, Jupiter, Rahu and Saturn and Ketu, I think Jupiter and Rahu would quite be much helpful to you, but Ketu and Saturn may create some problem for you in the second half, and you have to minimize the negative effects and have maximum positive effects or positive people around you to get yourself balanced. Even you will in the early starting you will have a lot of positive results and positive thoughts which will prevail your mind, for which you can take advantage of them. Your decision will make the right impact, and you will also get support from your siblings, that is brothers and sisters. And there may be some disputes and you can say some litigations in the property matters, that is expected, and even your elder brother also, who is very very emotional and quite sensitive, that would also be helpful to you. Even people associated with politics and social service also has a very very chance to grow in this period. Enemies will not be able to stand in front of you, and there are strong possibilities of profit from foreign land or foreign travel. Time may prove a little crucial for the children and expecting ladies in 2015. Any good task, favorable tasks helping the people would be quite benefit to you. You have to stay away from over excitement and arrogance in 2015. there is no Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani in your thing. You, as I told you, you should not be over excitement. That is unfavorable. Favorable is like positive thinking for you. The lucky numbers are, you can say 7 and 12. Avoid inhabited places of deep water bodies on especially Saturdays. So you should not go to, do not take risks near deep water. Then perform donations related to the, as I tell you, the older age home people.
Yeah.
Donations will help you. Be away from black and blue. Journey in the west south. And food items, cold products, you should be away from lot of cold products, and stay away from very close friends or very close relatives. You can stay away means you should be careful. Do not disclose any of your plans to them. That can be harmful to them. Otherwise, your, I think the year is very good. All the best to you, 2015.
Okay, thank you, doctor. We have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello,
നമസ്കാരം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ഇത് വിദ്യയാണ്.
കുറച്ച് ഉറക്കെ സംസാരിക്കോ?
ഇത് വിദ്യയാണ്. ഷാർജയിലാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്.
ഷാർജന്ന് പേര്
ഷാർജയിൽ വിദ്യ.
വിജയ. ഓക്കെ. ആരെ കുറിച്ചാണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്റെയും ഹസ്ബൻഡിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയാനാണ്.
Okay, she would like to know about her husband and herself. So do we have the time for both? Actually, നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോ സമയമില്ല. നമ്മളുടെ ഷോ വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള സമയമായിരിക്കും. ഒരാളുടെ പറ്റി പറയാമെന്നാണെന്ന് ഡോക്ടർ പറഞ്ഞു. ഇപ്പൊ ആരെ കുറിച്ചാണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്?
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, എന്നെ പറ്റി പറഞ്ഞാൽ
ഓക്കെ പറയൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
എന്റെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് May 1st, 1990.
ഓക്കെ.
May 1st, 1990, Tuesday.
8:32. Tuesday, 8:32 a.m. morning.
8:32 a.m. morning. Place is
എവിടെയാണ്
Kerala.
ജനിച്ചത്?
കേരള, കണ്ണൂർ.
ഓക്കെ. എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
This is for whom? For her.
Pregnant ആണ് 6 months.
സോറി, അത് ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ടില്ല. ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറയൂ.
ഞാൻ 6 months pregnant ആണ്.
Okay.
ഹസ്ബൻഡ് ഗ്രോത്ത്, ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ എല്ലാം.
നോ, വിജയെ പറ്റിയല്ലേ അറിയേണ്ടത്?
അതെ അതെ.
അപ്പം ഇപ്പൊ 6 months pregnant ആണ്. ഓക്കെ.
ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ എല്ലാം, ആരോഗ്യം എല്ലാം.
Okay, she would like to know about her health, her financial stability. She's 6 months pregnant.
Okay. So it's for her, this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You are Karka Rashi.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the nakshatra is Puyam nakshatra.
Yeah.
It's a very good nakshatra, because usually people are financially sound with nakshatra. But you had Ardha Shani, which is just finished on November 2014. I think 2015 will be with lot of good news, and you can be also financially stable. But the thing is that your dasha which is going on is, I will just tell you the dasha which is going on. Okay, dasha which is going on is Budham up till October 2019. I think your chart is average charge, nothing to worry about it, as you are going to get good news also. That good news, I think, would bring lot of favorable things for you. In the meantime, if you want, you can do some remedies, as I will tell you. You can go for the prosperity pendant number 7. See, your birth number 1 and your life path number is 7. So 7 is considered to be the number of creation. 7 days of the week, 7 wonders of the world, 7 continents, 7 seas, Sasur, lot of 7 things are there. So I would advise you can go for the prosperity pendant number 7. Even you can go for the crystal citrine quartz. Citrine crystal quartz. Citrine crystal quartz. It's a quartz, a stone. Okay. Yes. And even I would advise you to donate educational books to the children, and any little to school items also, like school bags, or even this, because schools are starting, so you can give, but you cannot give black color, so avoid black color bags to give. Just give blue or any other color. So you can give school bags, school compass, and educational books to the children as this January started. I think that would help you out a lot. And I would advise you, even you can up till for next 3 months you can feed 7 little girls below age of 10 with Anadanam, with food,
Okay.
Yes, give them food and give them school related education items for their school for next 3 months. 7 kanyas below the age of 10. And plus I will advise you, I think you cannot keep a fast, but at least on Saturday and Thursday you should be a vegetarian on Saturday and Thursday. This is Yes, and plus for your financial stability, avoid at night white milk, yogurt, lassi, and radish, mulangi. Avoid at night. I think your financial stability also will increase for 2015.
Okay.
What about my parents' health? My parents' health.
Parents
Parents' health.
health from your chart, it is difficult actually to get, it's only the attachment and other things we can get, but parents health, then because it is very very personal, so that would like we have to check individuals chart, so it is very very difficult to say anything about your parents health from your chart, we can only tell about you. Okay,
വിജയ, നമുക്ക് നാളെ 2 to 3 ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാം ഉണ്ടാവുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നാളെ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ,
Okay.
അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു SMS അയച്ചാലും മതി. All right, thank you.
okay.
Bye bye. Hello, doctor. Unfortunately, our time has come up to wind the show. So once again, thank you. So before that, shall we announce
Yeah,
a winner for
we
today?
have announced a winner also.
Yes.
plus.
So doctor ഒരു വിന്നറിനെ ചൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ് for today, and that person ഡോക്ടറെ നേരിട്ട് പോയി കണ്ട് കൺസൾട്ടേഷൻ എടുക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. And the winner for today is Shahab. You are the winner. So
Mr.
yes,
Shahab, very good.
Yes,
All the best to you.
congratulations.
Happy New Year to you, Mr. Shahab.
Yes, and your mobile number is ending with 702. അപ്പം ഇവിടുന്ന് വിളിച്ച് കൂടുതൽ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ഷഹാബിനെ അറിയിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. So നാളെ വീണ്ടും we'll have the same show, right, doctor?
Okay, yes,
Thank you
tomorrow.
once again
No,
for
thank
being
you, thank you
on
very much.
Mayuram.
Thank you. Yes, so tomorrow see you at the
Yes.
same time. Tomorrow Friday we will cover the rest of Rashis.
Rashis,
and
ade.
if you want to come and have personal consultancy, you can call Mr. Kiran.
Yes, yes,
The
you
number
can call.
is
Yes,
050-272-4157.
Yes,
and
അപ്പം
Happy New Year to you.
യെസ്, അപ്പം നാളെ വീണ്ടും നമുക്ക് മിഴിയോരം 2 തൊട്ട് 3 വരെ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും വിളിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ഡോക്ടറോട് നേരിട്ട് ചോദിക്കാം. അതുപോലെ നാളെയും നമ്മളൊരു വിന്നറിനെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് കുറേയധികം SMS-കൾ ലഭിച്ചിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ നാളെയും ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഒരു വിന്നറിനെ നമ്മൾ തിരഞ്ഞെടുത്ത് ആ ഒരു വിന്നറിനെ ഡോക്ടറെ പോയി നേരിട്ട് കണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ കൂടുതൽ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് ചോദിച്ചറിയാവുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പം സി യു ഓൾ ടുമോറോ. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഡോക്ടറെ നേരിട്ട് പോയി കൺസൾട്ട് ചെയ്യണം എന്ന് ആഗ്രഹമുള്ളവർ യു ഹാവ് ടു കോൺടാക്ട് മിസ്റ്റർ കിരൺ. ദ നമ്പർ ഇസ് 0502724157. അപ്പം വൈൻഡിങ് അപ്പ് ദ ഷോ. നാളെ വീണ്ടും കാണാം. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Nandi, namaskaram.